Hello guys, good morning. Happy Monday again. Today is, let's check our cell phone. Today is December 9. December 9, 4:45 in the morning. Di ba? Hindi ako masyado madilim ngayon. Alam niyo kung bakit? Finally, I had my di ba? May Christmas tree na ako. Behind na naman. Anyway, ano bang updated natin ngayon? Monday, December 9. By the way, did I forget to say good evening, Philippines? I don't know, my memory. Anyway, good evening, Philippines. And good morning sa akin. It's 4:43 in the morning. Nagre-ready na naman tayo para sa ating trabaho. Alam niyo na yun. Anyway, latest updated. Updated. Kung willing kayong makinig sa akin, then stay. And kung ayaw nyo naman, di mag-skip na lang kayo. Anyway, ang ginawa ko nitong Sabado, alam nyo na, linis-linis ng konti. Tapos, nagluto ako ng puto kasi dinala ko doon sa party. Meron po kaming pajama party. 3 years na po siya. So far, maraming mga tao. Ang pajama namin pajama party, it's growing. I remember 3 years ago, kami-kami lang, medyo tahimik, but we made it. And then the second year, it was fun. We play a few games. And then this is the third year, it's more fun. Kaya lang naaasar ako sa telepono ko. Konti lang yung storage niya. Palagi akong nauubusan ng storage. Tinatransfer ko na yung video dun sa isa kong SD card reader para makabideo ako. Pero palagi ako napupunuan. I'm trying to video para ma-updated ko kayo, makasama ko kayo sa mga what's going on dito sa aming lugar. But yeah, ang problema ko yung yung storage ko. Kaya konti lang yung mga nabibidyohan ko. Ano pa ba? Wala na. Except, holiday is coming. Alam niyo na ibig sabihin noon dito sa aming lugar, pagdating ng third week, I think this year, 23 or 24, December 23 or December 24, wala na kaming work. Shut down yung yung pinagtatrabuhan ko, yung company namin. Shut down siya kasi syempre, celebrate pa rin natin yung diba, Christmas. Kahit trabaho tayo ng trabaho, meron pa rin tayong celebration. Teka, kape muna tayo. Balyo. Coffee. I love you. Woo, sarap. Anyway, malapit na yung ating holiday. Magsha-shutdown yung company para kaming mga factory workers spend time to our family. Syempre kahit papaano importante yun. And then kain sila ng kain tayo ng kain. Oh, by the way guys, kung gusto nyo makimarites sa akin, just turn on your notification bell para kapag nag-load ako ng video or anything, at least makikita nyo, di ba mga marites? At huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi lang kayang marites, ako rin marites. Hey, normal lang maging marites. There's nothing wrong with that. Umamin kayo. Ano ba sa lalaki? Anong tawag sa lalaki? Chismosong lalaki. Mario? Tapos tayo marites. Anyway, malamig na naman sa labas, guys. Hindi na dito magwa-warm. Talagang taglamig na. Mga ilang buwan siguro magi-snow. Most of the time, December nagi-snow. But dahil sa weather change, climate change, syempre, minsan meron, minsan wala. Pero yung lamig nandyan. Hindi, sinisipon na naman ako. Hindi naman ako sinisipon. Nag-ano lang, basta pag malamig, parang nag-ano yung ilong ko. Anyway, yeah. So, I'm trying to bring food sa kanila. Kahit ang hirap guys, ang lamig. Problema ko yung lamig talaga. Nangangatog-ngatog ako. I'm trying and then I'm trying to keep posted, ganon. Pero pag wala na kayong nakita na video, alam nyo nang ibig sabihin nun. Ibig sabihin nun, teka lang, pupunasan ko ilong ko. Guys, bumalik na ako. Nandito na ako. Sabi ko sa inyo malamig. Kaya kuminsan yung ating ilong medyo umiiyak din ang ating ilong. Anyway, nagpapakatotoo lang. Anyway, yeah, holiday is coming. Yun lang ang aking latest updated. Kung gusto nyo makimarites, on yung notification below para kung ano yung i-post ko, makikita ninyo, di ba? Ano pa ba? Yun lang. Yeah. Wala, yun lang ginawa ko sa weekend. Tapos edit ng video. Guys, by the way, if you guys don't mind, if you watch this video, try to write it down where you guys from. Kasi natutuwa ako na nalalaman ko kung nasaan kayo, taga saan kayo. I enjoy it knowing you are from different country or different part of the Philippines. Natutuwa naman ako. If you guys want to shout out, just write it down below if you guys want me to shout out. At ako hindi pa rin nagbabago, bulol-bulol pa rin ako. I think it's gonna be the way it is. Walang pagbabago. Wala na akong masabi. So I guess that's it for now. Good evening Philippines. Good morning to me. It's Monday morning here ng 5 o'clock. I think. Let's update the time. Yeah. It's 4:50, close to 5 o'clock. Pag-start na naman tayo ng car dahil ang lamig-lamig. Wala na akong masabi pa. Yun lang. Pasensya na kayo sa aking mga Tagalog, English, barok-barok. Mahirap. I promise you. I think English, it's kinda, for me, sa akin, I'm talking myself, okay? Sometimes it's hard to yung i-pronounce yung mga salita. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na ako. At least, I'm trying my best. That's count. Diba? So, I think that's it for now, guys. Kapit tayo. Wala na akong masabi. Bye, Philippines. Merry Christmas. I love you. I hope to see you soon. So please like and share and subscribe. Mabuhay. Kapit tayo ulit. Kung may question kayo, write it down below. Bye. Oh yeah, by the way guys, kung gusto niyo malaman kung saan yung pajama party namin, so I will put the video up there or maybe down here. So watch it kung curious kayo kung gaano kami kaingay. Question lang, no? Tayong mga Pilipino, simple lang ang pamumuhay natin sa Pilipinas. Masaya tayo kung anong meron tayo. We're trying to be happy and satisfied whatever we had in our table, which is the good thing. Hindi tayo yung palahanap, you know. We are not that kind of people. We always be grateful and thankful what we had in front of us. But anyway, and one thing I noticed, we are loud. Baka kami lang. Kasi siguro sa katatrabaho. Tapos pag may opportunity na may okasyon, nag-get together kami and they were all happy, laughing and giggling. we happy to see each other, and then we play games and we're loud. So anyway, so please watch our pajama games. This is the third year that this is 2024 pajama game. So watch it. I will put the video up there or down here. That's it for now.